everyone, it's another tablet review, and I have here the Ugee U1600 Pen Display. I know you've all seen me review a lot of pen tablets, and I'm really excited to get into this one because it's a monitor display. So I haven't opened it just yet. This is brand new, just sent to me, taking off the wrapper now. When this company contacted me, I thought their name was Ugee, and I so badly want to say Ugee every time I say their name. But apparently, according to other YouTubers that have reviewed this brand, it's Ugee, to my dismay, as much as I want it to be Ugee. I don't know, Ugee just sounds cuter. How do I open this? I have no idea. I guess from the bottom. There we go. And there we go. Here is the tablet. Just gonna go ahead and take it out, and then I've just got the box left. I'm gonna throw the box to the side, literally. Awesome, and it's not that heavy. So we've got a protective film on it where you just grab the corner and peel it right off. Super pleasing to do. Nice, and then the surface is very matte. On the other side, it has little grippies on the corners. So if you're laying it flat, it'll stay in place. I'll put it right here on the side of my desk and look at what else is in here. First up, we have our pen tablet. And it's pretty standard, on the thinner side in my opinion. And it seems like it has an eraser end. That's a big deal to me, in my opinion. Not a lot of tablets come with eraser. So it's nice to see that Ugee has it. All right. And then our cables, for one connecting to your monitor and the other connecting to your computer, which is also important for me to say. With all the different sorts of tablets out there available to draw on, this is a tablet that, yes, the screen works and you draw directly on the tablet, but it needs to be connected to either a laptop or a computer or an Android. I'm not sure if this one's compatible with that. I'll have to check, but that's also a common setup where you get tablets that also connect to your Android phone, which I find interesting, but I'm not sure if this can do that. But regardless, you will need a computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop, whichever. And then in here, we've got all our booklet, pamphlet kind of stuff. Oh, and other things. So we've got our nibs right here, as the pen nibs do wear down after a while. And then we've got our little silver ring right here. That's used to take out the nib of the pen. See, voila. And you use it to replace it. Just gotta get it in there. There we go. Ah, there. And just, push it in. And then we've got this little cloth napkin that cleans the surface of your tablet. And then one of these hand mittens. I don't know what you call them. I don't use them. I personally loathe them. But you just put your hand in. It's supposed to cover your pinky and your ring finger. And then that's how you use it. I don't like the feel. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's most likely a sensory thing for me. But yeah, it's included in this product for those who do use them and like them. Quick guide, and then a warranty policy. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and set it up, connect it to my desktop, see how it feels, and most likely draw something up. So let's get to it. So setup was generally really easy and straightforward. I basically went to the website, downloaded the drivers, and installed them. Then I plugged it in and we were all good. Before I get into too much more on my review, I did want to point out that this tablet does work with Android devices. When unboxing it earlier, I wasn't completely sure, but after reviewing it thoroughly, I found that it actually does. So I just wanted to address that really quick. But after setup, I pretty much just got to work. I kept the button settings on the pen to default, so the upper button changes your nib function from pen use to eraser use, and the lower button was your right click. Of course, the upper button changing from pen to eraser isn't exactly that necessary, since I mentioned before that the pen has an eraser nib on the other side. So let's get into the pros of this tablet. I'm gonna be honest, for the price that it is, it worked amazing. It's $220, and that's just kind of mind-blowing. This tablet hits all the important things. It gives you a matte screen, a pen with 8,192 pressure points, an easy setup, a 16-inch work screen, and a 1920 by 1080 resolution. 16-year-old me would have been blown away if I had had the chance to have had this sort of an option as a starter tablet at this price. Unfortunately, when I started digital art, options like this tablet weren't available though, so womp womp. I do say starter tablet because I do feel it's such a great fit for the beginning artist who knows they want to pursue digital art but aren't quite ready to make the full investment of cash that it takes for a higher end tablet. At the same time, I feel really comfortable using this tablet that I honestly don't see much reason as to why a more experienced artist wouldn't like it either. It performed great, and I could definitely see myself using this often if I'm traveling with my laptop and want to just set up somewhere and work. While sketching and inking, I didn't notice any lag, which is always a big deal to me, and I love that that wasn't an issue. So let's talk about some cons. Performance-wise, there was none that I noticed while using it. Accessory-wise, I so wish they had a pen holder of some sort. This may or may not be an issue for you, but it kind of was for me. I never really enjoy not having a designated place for my pen. Sure, I can just store it wherever, but it's super convenient to have something to place it on. And I mean, I also have a terrible habit of misplacing my pen if there isn't a pen holder, but that's completely a me issue. The other issue was there's no stand for the tablet. This is another thing that may or may not be an issue for you. I personally enjoy having my tablet stand up a little, as drawing flat on a desk just isn't my thing. The great thing is though, I happen to own a tablet stand, so that came in handy. The other good thing is it seems Ugee sells tablet stands as well on their site, so you just have to purchase it separately. Not ideal, but at least it's an option. And again, it's kind of hard to complain when the price point is so great, and the product hits all the basic necessities needed to perform great for an artist just seeking an affordable pen display tablet. Overall, my experience with this tablet was a good one, and I fully recommend it for those interested. Ugee created a good product with this, and it's kind of no surprise in my opinion, because they're under the XP Pen Company, whose products I've also tested out as well and never really had an issue with either. So, I hope you enjoy my little cabbage girl that I drew up in Paint Tool Sci, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!